Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, bringing you one more tutorial on how to draw Pokemon. This time we're gonna do Charizard. And we're gonna start with a dummy, which is quite useful for some kinds of drawing. So to make this dummy, we're gonna start with the head. That's gonna be just a small circle. And then we're gonna pull down the neck, which is gonna be, I think, this long. And from here, we draw a big circle for the body. So this is the place where I imagine the shoulders are gonna be, right here. Then I draw this V shape for the arm, and I'm gonna put a circle here to know where I'm gonna put the hands. So for the other arm, I'm gonna do something similar, like a V shape, very open this time, and a circle for the hand. Okay, now let's work on the legs and the thigh. And just reminding you guys, if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so now. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's gonna help us a lot. So please hit the like button and subscribe. So working on the legs, guys, so we're just gonna draw these two circles for the thighs. Charizard has these thick, fat thighs, so we were going to represent with the circle. And the feet are just gonna be two bricks. Try to do that kind of three-dimensional cube, so it's gonna help a lot at this time. And finally, coming from his stomach, we're gonna draw his tail. Okay, so we have a good idea of what he's gonna look like. Let's start drawing some details. For his head, I'm gonna start with this tilted line here. A curve. And just don't forget that this is the basic shape for his head, and we're working on the eyebrow. And then I pull this line up to draw the first horn. So take a look at the horns, how they are. They're not really gonna meet, they are divergent. And then I connect this part to the jaw. It's a very square jaw. Well, now I imagine what the format of the face is gonna be, and I'm gonna draw this line just to help me find the elements of the face, like the eyes, for example. This horizontal line is gonna show me where the eyes are placed, and these two lines are gonna be the nostrils. Let's use the eyebrow here to help me, and following the lines. His eyes are gonna be very triangular, so I'm gonna use the eyebrow here, following the lines we had done. And here it goes. Now I imagine that the jaw was not big enough, so I'm erasing this part here, and I'm going to increase the size just a little. I'm gonna keep what I had, and I'm going to place another line under his jaw to increase the size. Okay, now we have his chin. So let's work on the neck, following the lines for the dummy. We're gonna have this wavy line here. Now the wings are gonna come from his back, and to do it we're gonna draw this half circle, and let's count 2 lines here. Okay, and a long curve going down. From here we're gonna do the Batman logo. For the other wing, we're gonna have two open curves going up and a big curve coming down. And again, we're going to draw the Batman logo. Okay, now we have dragon wings. Let's start working on the arms now, and first we're gonna do the shoulder. Let's keep the lines we had, and we're just going to draw a few lines under the ones that we had before. For the hand, I like to draw the palm first. In this case, we're going to pull this line up, that's going up, and then the fingers or the claws are going to come from here. Very short, really short. They're gonna be very short with a pointy shape on the tip, like this. So remember, these three fingers are going around the palm. For the other arm, we're going to keep this one from the shoulder, and I'm going to round the lines just a little. Okay, it's gonna be this line for the palm. Short fingers. With a claw. Okay. We're gonna work on the legs now, and for the feet I'm just going to make these spikes. And I'm going to try and make the foot a little rounder. It looks a bit more like a foot. For the other one, rounded shapes, and his claws are just gonna look like diamonds, like this. It's gonna be only 3. I've got to refine the rest of his body. I'm going to reinforce a couple of lines here. So let's make the circle for his belly. Now let me complete the eyes. There are gonna be 2 circles inside. And here the wings are gonna follow the same format. And now there's gonna be this tip on the extreme side of his wing. Some details on the inside, and that's it. Basically, it's ready. It's gonna be like an articulation here. Let's do the same with the other one. Following the lines, a tip. drawing the inside. The lines at this point can be very irregular. That's okay. That's part of the drawing of Charizard. Like this. And again, it's going to be articulated at this point. There's going to be the fire on the tip of his tail, but that's going to be mostly defined by the color when you do it. Now let's use a liner so we can start doing the line work. This time I'm using some soft colored pencils from Faber-Castell, and I think the colors are very vivid. They work very well for this kind of drawing. There you go, you have your very own Charizard. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope I have made it easy enough for you guys to replicate. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Stick around and explore our channel to find something else you like. Hope to see you guys next time with another tutorial on how to draw our favorite characters. Goodbye.